Steady drums kicking, slow, bouncy, clean. Welcome! Today, we learn the shortcuts, the short words, pronouns. Let's go!
Pronoun takes the place of a noun. Pronoun, it's the best word in town. Don't say the name again and again. A pronoun steps right in like a friend, yeah, like a friend. Yeah, like a friend. Look at the subject, look at the start. Learn these short words straight from the heart. Say I say, you say, he say, she say, it say, we say, they. Yeah, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We use these short words every single day. Pronoun takes the place of a noun. Pronoun, it's the best word in town. Now the action happens, see where it goes. These are the N words everybody knows. Give it to me, give it to you, give it to him, give it to her, give it to us, give it to them. Yeah, me, you, him, her, us, them. Say it with the music. Tell a friend. Why use a pronoun? Why do we care? Because short words are better everywhere. No long names, no big chatter. Just simple grammar, rules that really matter. So simple, so clean. You know exactly what I mean. Who owns the object? Who owns the prize? Watch these short words right before your eyes. It is mine, it is yours, it is his, it is hers, it is ours, it is theirs. Yeah, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. No more repeating names. Nobody cares. Now point your finger, let me see. Point at the things as easy as can be. Close hands, this and these. Far away, that and those. This, that, these, those. That's the way the pronoun goes. Pronoun takes the place of a noun. Pronoun, it's the best word in town. Don't say the name again and again. A pronoun steps right in like a friend, yeah, like a friend. Yeah, like a friend. Simple words, big power. Leveling up your skills every single hour. Sing it, remember it. Class dismissed.